Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have these here. This is called the PepperWave, and it's an electronic grinder set. And if you've ever seen these things are so cool. So this is what it looks like. I already took it out of the box, and you can see it. It just plugs in like a USB, and so it charges. And the way these are is you can see here, there's one for pepper and one for salt. I don't know if you can really, they look the same, I guess. I guess the difference will be you'll see it through there because it's got the little window of which one you've got in there. So, and it charges just on the little base here. So it's got the little base there. And then when you use it, as you turn it over, you can push the little button and it grinds as it goes. Like, how sweet is that? Very cool. And you can see here, like there's the little place there too, where the grinder will, actually, so it goes this way, and the grinder will grind and it'll come out right down there. And I think you can like rotate this. So if you want to make it coarser or finer, you just rotate that little, the little button on the bottom. Very cool. And it looks super cool. It looks so nice. Look at how nice this is. This will just kind of leave it up there in the kitchen, and it'll fit perfectly with our stuff because it's kind of a stainless look. And how sweet is that? These things are awesome. I've had some before, and I always get these things for gifts for people because they are the coolest. So thumbs up, very cool. And it is the PepperWave electric grinder set. Very cool. Thumbs up.